Good morning, all. I am Rahul Chaudhary, working as an assistant professor at Diva Patil Institute of MCA and Management, Akurdi, Pune. This video is created for the International FDP on Environment and Sustainability. Today, we are going to discuss about how we are going to implement environment and sustainability in mobile application development. In the last video, we had discussed about the mobile application, how we can develop environment sustainability application which are very much user environment friendly, using how we can reduce the memory footprint, how we can reduce the network usability, how we can reduce the bandwidth for our application, so and so forth. Today we are going to go little bit further. First of all, we have to discuss what is sustainability. So, improving the quality of human life while living within the carrying capacity of supporting ecosystem based on the reconciliation of environmental, social equity and economic demands. In simple words, we can able to say that we have to maintain our environment quality with our economic demands. So it is essential that we have to maintain our environment, but with respect to that, our economy should be sustained with that maintainability. So, what do you mean by mobile application development? It is, we can say that, is the act or process by which a mobile app is developed for mobile devices such as our mobiles, smartphones. Of nowadays, we can able to use devices in our vehicles, smartwatches, in TV, in tablets also. So where we can able to use Android, there we can able to develop mobile applications. But ISO given had some standards while developing applications. So ISO 9001 and 14001 are two basic standards we have to maintain while developing our application. ISO 9001 is for the quality management system, which gives organization a systematic approach for meeting customer objectives and providing consistent quality. Quality is very important while developing any mobile applications. If that application quality, mobile applications quality is not up to the mark, it is not used by any person. And ISO 14001 is an environment management system which gives organization a systematic approach for measuring and improving their environment impact, so that we can able to say that it is a very systematic approach for measuring how our organization or our development process impacting the environment. We have to measure each and every step of our development. So we will discuss about the mobile application development life cycle. In that case, this is consist of six different steps. First is start with application design and migration. This is the very important step. While developing mobile application, we must have to aware about how we are going to design it. If design is perfect, then our application is very good. It's migration. Sometimes we have to migrate from one version to the another version. Everybody knows that nowadays, every day or after a specific interval, we have to update our mobile application. And if new updates, new changes are not related to our previous version, we cannot able to update that application. In that case, we have to develop or we have to install different application. So while designing, we have to take care of that. Next step is application development and integration. So application development and integration is a very important point. If we develop one application and it is not integrated, it is not compatible with previous version, or it is not compatible with the hardware which we have, so it is problematic. So in that case, that hardware is outdated, or this new software or some softwares are outdated, so it makes impact to our environment. As we know that previously we are using Nokia phones or some low configuration mobile phones. So these phones are not compatible with new type of application, so these mobiles are outdated, we cannot able to use that mobile, so it impacts directly or indirectly to the environment. So it is wastage and it dumps in our environment, it makes problem to the environment. So if we develop one application which is integrated, specifically integrated with our previous version, it would be helpful. While testing, some applications required more infrastructure for the testing, more hardware for the testing, but if application we can able to test with minimum requirement, so it will be environment friendly. Submitting the app to the marketplace. While if we develop, after that we have to submit that application in the marketplace. Nowadays in the marketplace we have very much more applications, mobile applications are available. If we make some restrictions on uploading applications on App Store, it will reduce the conjunction of this application. Nowadays each and every person, if they just develop something, they can able to upload on the App Store. But according to me, if we specify some criteria, some restrictions while uploading applications on marketplace, it will reduce much more conjunction. While marketing, we ensure that while marketing, it is essential to make much more digital marketing, so it is environment friendly. We cannot able to use hard copies for marketing and advertisement in the papers. Nowadays so many person gives ad in the Times of India, Lokmas, or some daily newspapers, but instead of that hardcore marketing, we can able to use digital marketing for marketing. Update and maintenance. While updating, we ensure that previous applications are much more essential. While making maintenance, previous hardwares we can able to use, previous mobiles we can able to use, previous tablets we can able to use. We ensure that we have whatever the new applications are developed are much more compatible, much more efficient while running on the previous configuration also. So all these concepts or all these criterias are we have to consider while developing our mobile applications. If you develop such type of mobile application, it will be helpful for maintaining our environment sustainability while developing mobile applications. Thank you.